On Monday, Blessing, Jeremy and myself met at Granville to create a documentary about the change, changing where we live. This is Daniel. Daniel's from the future, and he told us about how this area will look after the change. He put us through a test to see if we are really ready to know. Then he sent us on a mission to find the different areas of his past, which would be the future to us. We decided to document all the locations, old and new. Mission 1, Day 1. We filmed the South Kilburn open space. The play area was filled with memories but lacked life. Daniel said it would be better though in the future, that we would have football pitches and so much more. We didn't know whether to believe it or not, and neither did the other people in the area. Some weren't even ready to be moved, but they realised it was for the better. I mean, it was so much different from the park now, and such a contrast to the old estates. The dull, gloomy buildings blooming over us as we trekked through South Kilburn, and all the unused space, deserted playgrounds with half-hearted swings, areas that practically screamed antisocial behaviour, graffitied brick walls, boarded up shops, dead-end roads, rubbish just thrown everywhere. But walking along a mix of paths, we could see different materials. Better looking houses, nicer parks, bigger roads. Communal spaces improved with the growth of new plants. And with that, we could see a mix of both old and new, the transition of South Kilburn.
Next, Daniel took us to Woodhouse Urban Park. He showed us the new park that had been built. The council will do consultations with local people to gain their views and opinions. I think this is a positive thing because, after all, it is the local people who are going to be living in this new South Kilburn. Alright, hello, how old are you?
8.
And what is your name?
Alta.
Right, you come to this park a lot?
Yeah.
You have fun here? Have you made any new friends?
Yeah.
Okay, out of all these blocks over here, which do you think would be the most suitable, that you'd enjoy living in most? And why?
That one down there.
That one?
Yeah.
And what qualities do you like about it?
It's blue.
How have you benefited from this park? What do you like to do here, first of all?
I usually play football here or I go in the swings, and it's benefited me because it helps me see my mates a lot more when we're not at school and stuff like that.
Alright. Is it fun? Do you come here a lot?
Yeah, I come here since the summer I've been coming here almost every day.
Alright, what's your name?
Patrick.
And how old are you?
13.
Do you enjoy coming to this park?
Yes.
Do you come here a lot?
Yes. I love coming to this park.
Have you made any new friends here?
Yeah. My friend's cousins I haven't met them before.
Is it better than when there was no park before and there was just a building?
If there was no park, let me tell you, there would be more people staying at home on their computers playing some Fortnite.
Okay, and you said you live in the new dock. What do you like about it?
I like about it because this one is bigger than the other one. I used to live in small and it didn't have that much things. Then the one I'm living now has a lot of things.
Okay, so you lived in this area before then? Okay, what's your name?
Summer.
And how old are you?
11.
Okay, and you live in this block, right?
Yes.
Do you like the block that you live in, or would you prefer to move?
I would like a bigger house probably.
So like one of these ones then?
Yeah.
Is there anything you'd like to see added? Because you said you like basketball, so would you like to see a basketball hoop or anything?
No.
Daniel showed us that in the future we would actually have a football pitch. There would be goals, the grass would be trimmed nicely, and they would have nets. As well as this, he also taught us a bit about ecology and how there would be bird baths and insect houses so that we could have more ecology, more plants growing, and learn more about nature. We also looked at the buildings and how high quality they were. They had stands for bikes and more. The balconies were large and the houses were very well constructed, and they were a mix between both kinds of residents. As we walked down, I felt peaceful walking through the garden, and it was a very great experience.
Daniel spoke to us about the council's decant strategy, which is how the council plans to move existing council tenants into the new homes that are being built. We went to the Gloucester and Durham site, which has recently been demolished. In the place of old buildings, new homes will arise. The former residents are living in their new homes, and future residents will move in once the new homes are built, forming a full circle.
Can I ask how old you are?
13.
13. So obviously you're still at school, yeah?
Yeah.
Perhaps you'll let me know when the screening is, and
Yeah,
maybe I'll get a little invite and come down and have a look at it.
definitely.
Yeah, there we go.